All right, I'm on a 15-ton package unit right now, checking the filters, checking the evaporator coil. These filters look pretty dirty. I mean, you know, I saw worse, but I mean, they don't look clean. Got the evaporator coil, it looks kind of dirty. So I probably recommend cleaning that. So yeah, you can see they're pretty dirty. They haven't really been in for a long time. Let me see. Looks like they went in February 2020. I mean, that evaporator coil kind of dirty. It does need to be cleaned. It's not clean. It's very important, for the air, to keep the air clean and fresh going into the building. We need to try to keep new filters in the unit. And depending on how much the unit is running, they could get dirty in 1 month. They could be filthy. If that unit is running a lot, then, the filters get dirtier. And it matters, like this one has an economizer. So, it's letting in fresh air. That's gonna get the filters dirtier. And checking out the blower wheel, the belt looks pretty good. Looks brand new. Matter of fact, blower wheel kind of dusty. You know what I mean? Not real dirty. Not real dirty. I saw worse. Yeah. That's good. Got my gauges hooked up over here. I got it jumped out. First and second stage should be running. Let me check it out. Check these compressors. 9.8 on that one. This right here, this is the blower. See what we got. 6.3 on that indoor blower. See what we got on that second compressor. Okay, 8.0 on that second compressor. Then I got my outdoor fans over here. Got 0.9. I think they're rated for 1.0. Gotta check, see what they're rated for. Might be rated for 1.3. Looks like I'm getting pretty good amps. My pressures, I got 410. And I don't have that blower door closed yet. You know what I mean? So my pressures might not be all the way accurate. I will close it soon. But I mean, even so far, they look pretty decent so far. Amps look pretty good. Check all my leads. Got 3-phase. 9.8. Yeah, pretty Yeah, I know my fans are running. Okay. Looks like I have 3 fans. Got 2 not running. That's not good. Seems like they should be. They should be running. 1.0. 0.9. And on one of them, I got nothing. But it looks like I only have 1 runner. Okay. I got to check that out. Check my capacitor. See if they're good. And if they are, I need to check that motor. Alright. Pressures. Yeah, my pressures on this first stage look pretty good. Kind of high on the high side. Low side looks good. But I mean, it's kind of warm out here today. So, let me button this unit up. And I'm going to check my capacity. See if my fans are not running. Alright, let me get into it.